We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Trisha and you are watching Trish Kitchen. Today I am going to share with you chocolate microwave mug cakes recipe. This cake is great when you need a yummy dessert that is ready in less than 10 minutes. This chocolate mug cake recipe has no eggs. It's even more delicious with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. This is probably the most moist, tastiest, easiest chocolatey cake that I had ever had. It's the yummiest dessert to serve and eat if you are going for portion controlling. It is ready in few minutes and perfect if you are dying for something sweet. Now let's get started. We need 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 pinch baking powder and 1 pinch salt, half tablespoon vanilla essence, in a medium bowl, whisk together dry ingredients. Now add 3 tablespoons of milk, whisk in the milk until all ingredients are combined and batter has no clumps. Pour batter into a microwave-safe mug. You want enough headspace for the cake to rise without pouring over. Now add some chopped nuts. I am using cashew nuts here. Now add 1 tablespoon of Nutella. Just drop it in the middle. No need to push it down. Now place a paper towel into the microwave and set the mug on top. This is to catch any batter if your mug cake overflows. Microwave mug cake for 60 seconds on high. Carefully remove from microwave. Allow to cool for 5 minutes. Now enjoy your chocolatey mug cake. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.
We wish you